Not a big deal, but makes my life a little bit more miserable than it already is. All right, we're back here. Demo.
Hulmeville house.
Hulmeville house. We'll call this a trolley station.
The trolley station?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I think it used to be. I don't know.
It used to be some kind of station if you look at this door.
Yeah, maybe we'll figure it out later. Demo is pretty much almost complete. I'm trying to get my layout now, trying to figure out what I want to do with the property, where I want the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the kitchen, the layout of the kitchen, all that stuff. I kind of got it down a little bit. Now this is the front room, I guess you can call it. I think I'm going to do like a mud room in here, a closet over here, maybe like a butcher block seating area or something. I'm keeping the windows there behind Rich. I am going to change this double door into a single door. And then if you come around here, I think I'm going to make this the laundry room. Nice little laundry room off to the side.
Are you going to fill in that window?
Yeah, we'll frame that in. You know, I could make it like a accent wall, but with the big hole missing, it's a little bit tougher. So I think I might just leave it. You know, it's where the windows used to be before they put the addition on. You come in here. I got most of it demoed. This is going to be the kitchen area. My thought process is it's on slab, so it's hard to move plumbing and all that stuff. You got to work with what you got. It's going to be a rental property, so I'm not going too crazy. But what I figured so far is since my windows are so low and they're in a brick opening, I'm just getting replacement windows to fit that size opening. What I'm going to do is put the powder room, turn the toilet so it's facing this way, and I'm going to put a powder room right here. That way the window will be in the powder room. I would put the kitchen here, but the countertop's going to be above the window opening. And I'm not getting all crazy like that. So right. I might turn that like this way, keep the window in the powder room, and then I'm going to bring my cabinets along this wall and then do a kick-out peninsula here, like a little bench area peninsula thing. You know, corner sink like I did at my Bristol property. And then over here will just be like a small dining room area. I'm going to keep the panel here because it's a newer panel, newer service. I'll put a painting over it or something like that. I'm not going to go changing all that around. But like I said, it's going to be like a dining room.
You got to keep these windows? No, you're going to get rid of these windows, right? They're old and nasty.
Well, yeah, I'm going to replace them, but they're going to be the same measurements.
You can find them that they're the same size.
Well, I have this company that they will actually supply, install, and cap them for like $50 more than I can buy the things for.
Really?
Because they get, you know, they're not the best windows. I'm not putting them in my luxury new single-family huge mansion house, but for a rental property, they're perfect.
Gotcha.
So I'll replace the existing openings, swing around here. This will be your living room. I'm going to build a wall in front of the staircase and then have like a short little knee wall for a handrail type situation and put a closet underneath there. You can put your couch along this wall. I will say this wall I found some termites in. I'll have to get the house treated. That's kind of why I like the demo more than I do sometimes. It's easier.
You find the problems.
You find problems. It's easier to replace new wiring and stuff. And to pay the sheetrocker to re-sheetrock, it's not that big of a deal. I'll have to reframe this wall, which should be a fun one because these floor joists for the second floor don't go into the brick. They put the second floor on later on. So
1989.
Yeah, so I'm going to have to hold up the second floor while I replace this wall. Not a big deal, but makes my life a little bit more miserable than it already is. We're going to come upstairs, leave the staircase. I'll put risers and carpet it. Here we walk into where the bathroom used to be. Bathroom's going to still be here, but I'm going to dormer this roof a little bit to match this back roof. So it gives me more headroom, easier to put a bathroom in here. I'll do that hopefully this weekend. I'm going to do that in the shingles. And then you come over here, we got bedroom. Now what's not good about these bedrooms is there's no windows in them. But because of this addition that I'm going to keep with this opening, there's going to be windows in them. They're existing openings, so I'm not doing egress windows because everything's existing.
I'm going to build a wall
right here
and separate these two.
Yeah, and normally I would take this wall out, make it part of the bedroom really, but this is like a triple layer of brick. We ain't doing that.
Yeah, let's show everybody the brick over here.
We'll show them to them downstairs.
Oh, it's downstairs, yeah.
I mean, you can see the plaster wall here, but I'll show you the triple layer of brick downstairs. It's double, but they stacked it different. It's nasty. It's thick.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
So I'm not going crazy with busting openings open.
Right.
So like I said, 2 bedrooms. I'll have to build a closet somewhere. I was thinking about putting skylights, Then you gotta get blinds for the skylights. The skylights are gonna leak in your roof in 20 years. It's just not worth it at that point, at least for a rental purpose. That's that. And then we go into the master bedroom. Goes out onto this deck here. I'm gonna keep the deck. I'll put a new slider in here. I'll put a couple new windows in, and I'll have to build a closet. So that's gonna be, you know, nothing crazy. Re-sheetrock it, rewire it. Let me grab the light here. And the only way I figured out how to run HVAC, they have these old this staircase here, if you look down. So what I'm going to do is frame that in, make it a mechanical room. That way, which I don't want to, but this is the only way I can do it, I can bust through this brick. I can feed this room right here. The HVAC can go through this brick. You come over here, I can feed the return in this wall right here. And then I'm going to run along this wall and down feed the downstairs and then feed out this way. Is the only way I was able to figure out running HVAC. Some of these old houses, it's tough to figure out HVAC. There's no attic here, there's no crawl space, so it becomes an issue.
Right.
So I'm going to have to figure that out. I think that's going to be the plan. I'm going to have to bust a couple holes through that brick.
And I said too, you know, you're nice because you give everybody central air, but I said, well, forget it. Maybe not do central air on this house. And you said, I still need to do HVAC because this house doesn't even have heat. It had like these weird kerosene.
Yeah, they were natural gas, but they were like push button wall units. They were the stupidest thing. They had these stupid heaters run throughout for heat, whatever. Obviously we're going to put new HVAC in here.
Yeah, I don't even know if that's old school or I don't know what that is, but I've never seen that before.
Yeah, but if you come out on the deck, I'll give you a little rundown here. This will be a nice deck off the Master Edition. Opens into your backyard. I did clear out some trees here. There's a million freaking small little skinny trees on this lot that I really do not feel like paying to get rid of. So what I did was I cleared the ones that were overhanging the house that were too close. Deck will stay as it is. I'll put a new vinyl door. I'll side this. I don't know. Maybe I'll just repaint the deck. I'll put vinyl soffit up here, but I'm not going crazy with the deck.
Let's go show everybody
Something's stinking.
The brick. Yeah, something is stinking.
So this is how they built this house back then. Take that junk away. You'll see one row going this way, one going this way. Great insulator, but it's not good to make new openings through it.
Right.
It's a lot of brick you got to take out. A lot of work, not always worth it. So this is a thick opening right here. They were built right back then. This thing ain't going nowhere if it didn't go anywhere yet.
All right, so this weekend, you're going to do roof and dormer?
Yeah, we'll show them. We'll go outside real quick. I eliminated these trees on this side of the house. So you got to do the tree work against the house before you start doing siding and roofing. So I was able to eliminate these trees, gets it off my house. Trying to eliminate this deck area and try to do some outside prep work. I'll have to regrade the driveway. This weekend's gonna be shingles, get the roof done, start doing siding, get the siding done before it becomes winter time.
All right, give us a thumbs up.